Today, we're going to be going through everything you need to know about hosting video calls through SimplyVideo when using a browser. We'll cover starting a call, inviting participants, sharing your screen, making another participant a host, and locking and unlocking your room. To host a call, log into your dashboard and press the Host Now button. Before you enter your call, you can select your camera, microphone and speakers. You can mirror your camera, check your audio levels, and even change your bandwidth settings too. At the bottom of the screen, you can copy your unique meeting URL and send invitations directly to someone's email address. When you're happy, click Join to enter your room and wait for the participants to arrive. At any time during the call, you can turn off your camera and mute your microphone, share your screen, or start recordings via the row of controls at the bottom of the screen. After your participant receives your invitation, fills out their name and joins, you'll be able to see them waiting in your lobby on the left-hand side of the screen, along with a knocking sound effect. To let them in, simply click the green tick to give them access. If you're not expecting someone, you can deny them access by pressing the red cross. Your room is locked by default, but you can unlock it at any time by clicking the lock icon. As host, you can manage your guests from the side panel, you can set them as a host, mute them, spotlight their feed, annotate over it, and even disconnect them from the call. Once you're done, all you need to do is click the red button and your video call will end. If you want to learn more or book a demo, speak to the team.